Out with the ridiculously old and in with the brand new. This is the all-new Mooncool TK1 folding e-tricycle. My wife absolutely loves it. Let me tell you about it. I got my wife this thing used years ago, and it is hard to pedal. I can barely make it up our steep driveway with this thing. It has no gears. It's obviously just an old antique thing, and it is way dated, so that's why we moved to this baby. Why a tricycle, you say? Well, I got myself an e-bike, a 750 watt one, and my wife said, this thing's awesome and it needs baskets. I can't believe how cool these things are. So instead of putting a basket on that thing, why not a tricycle? So when you get off of the thing, it stays in the position and you don't lose all of your valuable goods that you have in the basket. And then also get a trike with a small front basket and a large basket, and she can haul herself and an extra 200 pounds if she wants on this thing. I know my wife's gonna be doing it, so how's that for a test? She wanted baskets. Well, she got two big ones. It's got a 330 pound weight capacity on it. It has a headlight, signal lights, a horn. This is how you make it go. It's a turn thing, not a thumb drive. Front brakes and rear brakes, headlight on and off, power assist of a bunch of different levels, odometer, speedometer, cup holder, front fender, very nice tires, very big rear basket, and brake lights and signal lights. So the specs of this guy is 500 watt.
That's about as fast as I'd ever want to go.
She burns rubber. 696 kilowatt hour battery with a mile range of 30 to 45 miles and speed of 15.5 miles per hour. And again, the payload is 330 pounds. So her with a nice comfortable seat and whatever you want, eggs and produce and sourdough bread and tinctures and whatever she's delivering, and a big basket in the rear as well.
These got knocked over, but they're all still sealed. That's how you know I'm a good canner.
So nice spot for the battery actually. On off for the battery. That's the charger, charging end, and you can charge the battery on the bike or off the bike. Very simple. Unlocked, and then just pull the battery up. And very simple, hold that M to turn it on. This is the headlight. Turn the headlight off. Signal lights, left blinker, right blinker. When you press either of the brakes, the brake lights come on, and a horn. Nice loud horn. So this is perfect for her. If you take this to go get the mail, to do a delivery, when you have a bunch of eggs or something in the back, when you get off of a tricycle, it stands up straight. When you get off of a bicycle, it has a kickstand, will be at an angle, and might even blow over in our winds. This is the perfect machine for what we utilize on our farm. Now the step-through aspect is awesome. It doesn't have a bar, so you can very easily get on. So if you're an elderly person or have mobility issues, it's very, very easy to get on. Now this is the TK1 folding. So you can fold it here and fold the handlebars down with two little quick connect components. So it fits in the back of an SUV. So I've got to practice, I guess, with this. And the handlebars also fold down. So although it does fold up, it's still quite heavy. Without the folding model, you can't do that. So if you need to do that, you get the folding model. And it's very secure. You have to press two things so you're not going to accidentally, while you're driving, unclick it or whatever. But you could throw this in the back of a very small vehicle now. Adjustable handlebars, of course, adjustable seat, of course. Nice, big, comfortable seat. You could sit on that all day. And this is going to really suit our purposes.
Do you like my new bike? We've got holy basil, smoothies, eggs, dried flowers, and some canning. And the nice thing about this is I can have all of this stuff on it and it doesn't need a kickstand. It'll just stand up on its own. I don't have to worry about it falling over. Should I take it for a ride? Daisy.
Well, my wife definitely approves. So you're not going to be breaking any land speed records with this. This suits a certain purpose. If you have mobility issues, if you need something folding, if you want something to have multiple baskets, carry a bunch of weight, do everything what you need to do except for some extreme off-roading and beating speed records, this is the bike for you. This is her unpacked. So the main bike looks like it just kind of folds out. It's kind of partly assembled. Front wheel, fender, basket, charger, manuals, toolkit, light, drink holder, all the components. Tricycle's super easy to work on because it stands up straight, unlike a e-bike, like bicycle, two wheels that'll be on a kickstand and tip over and stuff. That was easy. Front basket time. Gotta hurry, the wife's gonna be home soon. She's gonna like this surprise. Unlocked, and then just pull the battery up. So let's turn it on first time. There she is. So assist level, fully charged battery, and you turn it and it goes. Very good. And look how easy it is to assemble once it's folded. You put it together, that clicks, this is up, that clicks, and you're good to go.